back to my channel. So friend, today we are going to be talk about my setup, and I will give you some tips and tips that how to take a good breed. So, and I also increase many varieties of lovebirds, finches and cocktail. So let's talk about it. So friend, this is my golden cherry lovebird, and I did a cross with the female of gray with non ring eye. Let's hope the chick will come soon. And here there are 7 lovebirds, and these all are chicks. This is offline. Sorry, this is olive. I purchased it from the Ravivari Bazaar. The rate of that pair is around 15,000 or 1,500 rupees. These two blue masks, the rate of that blue mask is around 2,000 rupees per pair. Oh,